Use treated effluent for irrigation only with a planting plan that keeps people and edible crops separate. When designing effluent irrigation for a tiny house septic system, prioritize non-food ornamental landscapes and hardscaped buffers to eliminate any direct human contact with irrigated soil. Choose deep-rooted shrubs and perennial grasses that tolerate high nitrogen and phosphorus. Native salt-tolerant species are often a good match because they adapt to variable moisture and nutrient loads. Install subsurface drip lines set at least 6 inches below the surface so effluent never wets foliage and spray drift is eliminated. Rotate irrigation zones on a weekly schedule to avoid long-term saturation and to allow soil microbes to process nutrients between applications. Regularly test soil nitrate levels and soil salinity every season and reduce application rates or increase rest periods if concentrations rise. Maintain a simple operation log noting flow rates, dates, and plant performance so you can correlate adjustments with outcomes and avoid over-application. Common mistakes include planting edible or shallow-rooted species in the irrigated area, which raises the risk of human exposure and plant failure, so replace those with non-food ornamentals or move them outside the irrigation footprint. Relying on surface spray or sprinklers is another frequent issue because it creates aerosol and foliar contact, so switch to subsurface drip or low-pressure distribution to keep effluent off leaves and people. Over-irrigation and lack of rotation cause wet soils and anaerobic conditions that harm plants and let nutrients leach, so reduce run times, stagger zones, and amend soils with organic matter to improve infiltration and microbial processing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with local projects related to landscaping and septic-safe irrigation, and we help people share practical experiences. We host a discussion community where we exchange plant lists, irrigation layouts, troubleshooting tips, and contractor recommendations to help both sides find work and solutions.